Man, you guys really need to get off your phone while you're driving. Honest to God, it's not even that important. Like 90% of the time when I see guys driving, their phone is like this. You guys gotta calm it down. It's not that, it's really not that serious. It can wait. And you're risking your life plus the other people that's around you, man. Anyways, let's get this fucking money, boys and girls, because I know some girls out there be driving too. All right, New Jersey Way Station. That's how you get in and get out real quick. Stay in the same speed limit, man. Boom, arrows, arrows, arrows. Keep going, keep going. Maintain speed, baby. Simple. Get in and get out. All right. We're here, baby. We're here. Look at picking up a load. 15 minutes away from home, and then deliver Monday. Go home for the weekend. See the wife. Nice. Let's go get loaded. Perfect. Loaded. Quick and easy. Look at that. This guy right here. Alright. I don't know if you can see that, but so my water temperature shoots up to about 200, and then when I'm going up the hill, and then the fan turns on. But like sometimes it's an older engine, right? So it's a little scary for me. So what I do is put on my feet, blast the air, and put on super hot and roll the windows down. So now I'm going up the hill, and it keeps the temperature what's it called, steady, you know what I mean? Like my feet are on fire right now, but you know, keep it normal. So that's nice. While we're here, not bad of a weekend. Let's get this unloaded. I gotta reload, so hopefully they can take me in as soon as possible. Oh, nice. Oh my God. Well, the plywood busted off. Now I gotta go fix it. I had the sensor. I don't need that wood. I just used the sensor. Might as well get it over with. That was pretty quick. In and out. I'm not complaining. I'm not gonna lie. I'm really cheesed out about the sensor right here that popped off earlier. I don't know if I should even fix it or just replace it. Anyways, trying to stay positive. I got a reload, so it was about an hour away. So I picked that up, and then I'm gonna deliver tomorrow. But yeah, I guess this is it. Till next time.